how do I know when I need tires? Jairo's actually going to show us.
So there's a few ways to tell. One of them being the thread markers. So the thread indicators, once you get to this point, me personally, I think it's unsafe to drive like this. It'll make you hydroplane. It can make you start swerving left and right. Another way to tell is the DOT, so the age of the tire itself. So you can tell on this one, typical life of a tire is around 6 years, like the end of the tire.
This one also has some issues inside, right?
Yeah.
There's something going on inside this tire.
Most tires are multi-layered, so it has layers on top of layers. So it'll be nylon, cables, etc. Same process will be repeated left and back and forth. Yeah.
It may look perfect from there.
Yeah. All right. So it may look perfect, right? Like external, but internally it gets old. So internally, over time, it'll start splitting apart. So as you can see right here, well, it's hard to tell on camera, but one side is higher than the other. So what's happening, so it's splitting, right? So layers are stacking more than others. So example, let's say it splits right here. This side might be deeper than this side. So it'll start unleveling it. So while driving, it'll make air pockets. So while you're driving, you might feel your car slightly bouncing in a way. So it'll affect your driving experience overall.
What can also cause the tires to go bad?
Tires to go bad? Toe, an alignment, a bad alignment. If it's bad, your tires are wearing like this. You're constantly dragging your tires instead of actually riding on them. And shocks, cupping, shocks, struts, camber.
Suspension,
yeah,
steering,
suspension
right?
components,
All those
everything.
components
Yeah,
actually affect
right.
tire wear.
Everything, yeah.
And this machine here helps us to find that issue.
Even if a wheel is bent, it'll make your tire wear unevenly too. Just because the wheel, it's unbalanced at constant speed.
So, what machine is this?
This is a Hunter wheel
Yep.
balancer.
Yep.
Computerized wheel balancer. So here at Wayside Garage in Seaside, California, we're happy to take care of you. Our ASE certified technicians. Our number is 831-899-242. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.